It's me again. Today ay magluluto tayo ng egg with tomato. 4 na whole egg, lagyan ng chicken powder at konting asin. Mix it well. 2 kamatis, tinanggalan ko yan ng balat, yung kamatis. First step is, ipan-fry muna natin sandali yung itlog. Then set aside after mapan-fry. Next step, maglagay ng ginger at saka konting garlic. Then ilagay yung kamatis, ipan-fry ng sandali. Then lagyan ng tubig. Lagyan ng ketchup. Tansa-tansa lang ang paglagay ko nito. Then lagyan ng chicken powder, konting asin at 2 teaspoon of sugar. Lagyan ng chicken broth. Pakuluan ito ng 10 minutes in high flame. After 10 minutes, ilagay na yung napan-fry na itlog. And then, lagyan ito ng chinkiang vinegar. Lutuin ito hanggang sa mag-reduce yung sabaw. Then, lagyan ng spring onion. And then, lagyan ng cornstarch with water to thicken the sauce. It's done. Thank you for watching. It's ready to serve.